So, have you ever actually stopped to wonder how top-tier managers take just a massive mountain of raw, overwhelming numbers and somehow magically transform it into actual bottom-line profit? Well, welcome to today's Explainer. We're going to be looking at a total game changer in modern business, and that is visual analytics. Basically, we'll explore exactly how translating complex databases into clear, interactive visual dashboards empowers leaders to find hidden money and ultimately drive some serious revenue growth. Okay, let's jump right into the core question we're answering today. How does visual analytics actually help managers improve a business's revenue? In this explainer, we're strictly focusing our lens on how literally seeing your data fundamentally changes the way you profit from it. We'll be pulling directly from core business intelligence research to see exactly how these visual tools move organizations away from, just guessing and move them toward targeted, highly profitable decision making. To really get this, we first need to look at two things: decision support and pattern identification. Because think about it, instead of relying on gut feelings or scrolling through endless, completely mind-numbing spreadsheets, managers are suddenly giving visual decision support. This means they can make incredibly fast, data-driven financial choices. When you can physically see the patterns and the relationships in your data, you spot trends that were totally invisible before. You basically stop guessing and you start capitalizing. And that decision support? Well, it ultimately builds toward two massive advantages. First, identifying opportunities and risks, and second, predictive analysis. And the logic here is honestly incredibly powerful. By simplifying really complex data down into intuitive charts and interactive formats, managers can quickly spot hidden market patterns that their competitors might just miss entirely. Plus, they can use predictive analysis to forecast what customers will actually want tomorrow, not just what they bought yesterday. That kind of foresight allows managers to generate entirely new revenue streams before the market even shifts. It's a real game changer. Now, following this business intelligence process, if you look down to the bottom left, we hit a really crucial note here: identify selling opportunities. This right here is where visualization turns directly into cash flow. Because by turning raw operational numbers into visual dashboards, managers can instantly see which products are trending together or maybe which specific customer segments are primed for an upgrade. Visualizing the data literally connects the dots for you, leading managers straight to those selling opportunities. And that, of course, immediately and positively impacts the bottom line. Let's break down exactly how this plays out in the real world. Here are the specific visual analytics revenue drivers we pulled straight from our source material. First off, it visually forecasts future sales outcomes and demand. This is absolutely essential for managing your inventory efficiently and, preventing those costly stockouts. Second, if we look at customer relationship management, or CRM, visual tools make it super easy to identify cross-selling and upselling opportunities simply by segmenting customers based on how they buy. Third, in sectors like telecom, visualizing revenue streams actually allows managers to optimize pricing strategies for absolute maximum profit. And finally, it helps identify at-risk customers. By spotting visual trends, like maybe declining usage or negative feedback, managers can jump in proactively and prevent lost revenue. So it's really all about predicting behavior visually to protect and grow that income. Notice how this whole web of business intelligence benefits builds toward one ultimate goal. You can see it right there on the bottom right: cost reduction and profit maximization. Look, when managers use visual dashboards to enhance their decision-making, boost efficiency, or gain better customer insights, they aren't just doing it to, make pretty reports for a meeting. They're doing it to fuel real business growth. Visual insights strip away all that operational noise. That way, you can see exactly where you're losing money through inefficiencies and exactly where you can make more through highly targeted sales efforts. Just consider the stark difference here for a second. When you're trapped in raw data, those complex buying patterns are completely hidden away inside literally millions of rows of text. Managers end up missing out on critical customer relationship insights just because the human brain simply isn't built to process data like that. But by contrast, visual analytics reveals clear, undeniable pathways to increase sales and profitability. Instead of a spreadsheet, a manager instantly sees, say, a heat map of which salespeople, products, or geographic regions are top performing. Having that clear visual pathway means they can immediately focus their organization's efforts and their marketing dollars right on the absolute most profitable areas. Ultimately, the really crucial point here comes down to empowerment. Sure, visual analytics provides decision support for data-driven decisions, but more importantly, it offers optimization. It actually suggests the best possible actions. And I gotta say, that word right there, optimization, that is the absolute key to driving revenue. Because visual analytics isn't just some static historical report that tells you what already happened. It acts as an active, forward-looking guide. It points directly to the highest yielding opportunities and suggests the very best possible financial actions a manager can take today to ensure profitability tomorrow. So, I want to wrap up our explainer today with a bit of a provocative thought for you. Just think about your own organization's data architecture right now. What hidden revenue opportunities is your data going to reveal once you can finally clearly see them? Visual analytics really is the key to unlocking all that hidden potential, taking those boring numbers on a screen and transforming them into a tangible, real-world competitive advantage. Well, thank you so much for joining me today to explore the power of visual analytics. Keep visualizing, keep optimizing, and I'll catch you next time.